Hello viewer, today I want to show you how to add more than one photo on one Facebook story. Let's have a look. First, open Facebook app. To create a new story, tap plus button, that is add to story. Choose one image from photo gallery. By using two fingers, you can resize new added image. To add more image, tap sticker button on top right. Tap photo icon from this list. Now select one more image. By tap on the image, you can get different shape. Using two fingers, you can resize new added image. Similarly, add more photos and set one by one. That's it, multiple image added on one Facebook story. Now you can add more stickers, also you can add music on this story, then you can share it. That's it. These are the steps to add more than one photo on one Facebook story. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.